If you're a homeowner in Staten Island or Brooklyn, one of the most common questions that I get is, when is the best month to sell my home? Timing feels like it could make or break your success, and in many ways it can, but maybe not in the way that you think. I'm Ranola with the Bridge and Boro Team at Matthias Real Estate, and I've helped sellers all across Staten Island and South Brooklyn make smart, confident moves. So let's break down the seasons, and I'll show you what really matters when it comes to choosing the right time to sell. So spring and early summer are the busiest, right? April through June, the market tends to heat up. Families want to move before the new school year, right? They want to be settled in. Weather is easier for house hunting, and you'll often see more homes hitting the market. More buyers, more showings, more activity. That can translate to higher offers, but keep in mind, you'll also face the most competition. If your home is not properly positioned, it can get lost in the noise. Fall, on the other hand, is an underrated season. September, October, beginning of November, they bring serious buyers back from summer travel. Inventory usually drops, so there's fewer homes for buyers to choose from. That means your listing can stand out more. I've personally seen sellers get fantastic results in the fall because the buyers shopping then are motivated to close before the holidays. Winter is quieter, no doubt, but here's the thing about that. Buyers in January or February are typically not browsing for fun. They're relocating, downsizing, or dealing with life changes that make a move necessary. That kind of urgency can work in your favor even if the pool of buyers is smaller. So what's the answer, right? So the best month to sell in Staten Island or Brooklyn, it depends on your personal situation. If you want maximum exposure and can handle more competition, spring into early summer is ideal. If you'd rather face less competition and attract motivated buyers, fall is an excellent window. And if life puts you in a position where you need to sell in winter, the right pricing and marketing can still deliver a very strong outcome. The truth is, like anything else, there's no one-size-fits-all month. Success comes from pairing your timing with a strong strategy, knowing your local comps, preparing your home to shine, marketing it effectively to the right buyers, no matter the time of year. Every situation is unique, so before you take your next step, get the right local insight, reach out to me, Ranola, and let's start your journey together.